I'd like to use this week's learning point just to highlight the dangers that the people who fix our roads face. I know things are done to minimise risk. There are plenty of signs. They wear bright, fluorescent clothing. However, where they do work has usually been at places where there's been hold-up for road users. This can cause frustration and anger, and often a lack of focus on actually what you should be doing if you're operating a vehicle. So, next time you are caught in roadworks, just have a little think about the people who actually work there, when they do, by the way. Because effectively, they are still pedestrians, and it's our job using the roads to look out for and protect them. Thanks for watching.